All right, investors, check it out. You are looking at your next investment property. This trailer is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home right here in Rossville, Georgia. As you can see, it has a new deck on it. You can't tell, but the roof and the floors have both been repaired. So let's go ahead and get started. This home is on half an acre. Pretty decent amount. So let's go ahead and get right into the video tour. Like I said, has a new deck on it. Obviously, you come straight into the living room here. As you can see, like I said, the floors have been repaired as well. So here it is. Oh, it comes with a Bostoner. It does come with a Bostoner, as you can see. How's it going?
So good.
What's the best part about this property?
Brand new floors every place. Roof's just been redone. Great front deck. Sits on half of an acre. Nice quiet area. It's good. And being sold cheap. Too cheap, probably.
Yeah, it's discounted, quiet spot. It will make a great rental. Great for your tenants, nice and quiet. So here is the kitchen area over here. As you can see, your hookups over here. And what you're looking at here is the master bathroom as well as the washer and dryer area. So here's the first bedroom. As you can see, it's the master bedroom here. It's a great view of the outside as well. Give you just a little look at the top. So here's that bathroom area. So yeah, there's the first section of the house. Let me take you to the other side. So the other side is going to have the final 2 bedrooms as well as the other bathroom. So here's the other bathroom here. Give you a little bit more light so you can see. So yeah, plain and simple. You just need to go in and finish it up. Here is the second bedroom. Good view of the outside. Oh, there's that Bostoner. Closet area. And here is the third and final bedroom. Nice size room, good view of the outside. So yeah, here we are. 56 Travis Road right here in Rossville, Georgia. Like I said, this could be your next property. This could be your next project. If you're an investor, you're looking for a quiet place for your tenants, this is it. If you're just someone looking for a place to renovate and call your own, this is it. Give us a call.